Hello darlings, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how I cook my Nigerian porridge, popularly known by the Yorubas as Asaro. Sorry if I didn't pronounce it well. So these are the ingredients I'll be needing for my yam porridge. As you can see, my yam is already peeled, washed and diced. I have my palm oil which I'll be using also. Here I have blended tomato, pepper and onion, and this is a bit of dried pepper I'll be using also. Here is my crayfish. I'll be using a bit of fresh spinach also, as I cannot find ugu here. Ugu would have been the best. I have my mango cube. And what else? Oh, just a bit of leftover meat from yesterday. This is optional, I just want to add it for taste. Salt, not much. So let's get started.
Like a dragon on the dance floor, you know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name, they be asking, say what's my name. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na. Baby dance ya, ole ya. Many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, boom on it. My flow, oh yeah, make you take us slow. It's okay, if be my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, if be my flow, come on, make you take us slow. Come on, if be my flow, don't fool me, my baby. Baby, dance ya, oh yeah, no they play me like player. Baby, me kojo dada, cause you know I flow ada. It's not cheesy. Rushy boy, wait up easy. I got the cat that you need him. Plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing. The beat is so undeniable. Baby girl, one day till the morning. Cause I want to spend cash money. Next time I consume champagne. No, not time for darling. Give it to me more. Music's playing. Everybody dance, everybody dance. Everybody feel the same. Baby dance, yeah.
So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you all in my next video. Bye. Okay, this is Hobby enjoying my yam porridge, Asaro.